Alright guys, welcome again to the Crypto Fellow YouTube channel. So today we'll be going over some of the things you need to know as a developer to contribute to the Kodadot NFT gallery on GitHub. So if you are a developer, the Kodadot team in the Kodadot network is calling on you to contribute to their code on GitHub. So I believe you already have a GitHub account, so let's head on into how you can contribute. Very important things you need to look at or watch out for on the Kodadot repository on GitHub before you start contributing. So on the Kodadot page on GitHub, this is the home page now. So you can see the number of people who have started the repository. We have 405. Number of forks, we have 242 forks already, and we have 14 watching. And for the sponsor, we have 3 sponsors for the Kodadot repository on GitHub. So Kodadot network is a fully open sourced cross-chain NFT marketplace that is running on the Kusama and Basilic network, where anyone can contribute to their code and get rewarded. So the Kodadot GitHub is one of the most active in the Kusama ecosystem. They are calling on developers around the world because there's still a lot of work to be done to their code to come and contribute to them. So let's look at the things you need to know. Very, very important. So you can see the number of contributors. They already have 96 contributors. You can see the languages used. We have the VoIP that takes 51.2%, TypeScript that takes 43.5%, SCSS that takes 4.1%, and JavaScript takes 1.2%. So before you start contributing, you need to read the contribution guideline. Make sure you read the guideline, read everything and understand before you start contributing, so that you will not get kicked out or not rewarded if you don't follow the rules. So you need to read all of it before you start contributing. So having read that, you need to also read the code of conduct. Code of conduct on the Kodadot community. You need to read it, the pledge, the standard, examples of behaviors that you need to take on when you are in the Kodadot community, examples of unacceptable behaviors, the enforcement responsibility, the scope. You need to read this, the enforcement guidelines, all of that. Make sure you read it and understand it well. So another thing you need to take note of, which is quite important also, is the activity that is going on in the Kodadot repository. Activities by the recent contributors. You can see the Kodadot infrastructure, which is unfinished. You can see all of the various graphs, recent contributors. See the graphs, recent activities, 28 commits, 23 issues, 7 pull requests, all of that. You can check the graphs and see the brief code structure. Take note of all of that. Open bounties sorted by bounty size, new issues and pull requests. So make sure you check all of that. Before I go on, the Kodadot Repository currently has 707 issues. Then 3 pull requests are open. So that's quite important too. So another thing you need to check is the burn rate. The burn rate, which is how rewards are being distributed per time, per week on the Kodadot Repository burn rate. You need to check that. So burn rate. So this is the burn rate. So you can see week by week the amount of rewards that are being paid out week per week since November 2021. So the burn rate generated based on 674 paid pull requests and contribution of 48 people. So that will help you to know, to get acquainted with the reward when they are paid. Another thing you need to check is you might want to check the reward section too. Reward. So you can see how to get rewarded, how you are rewarded, creating your KSM address, sharing your address to receive reward. These are the things you need to know and do before contributing to avoid issues after contribution. And you might want to check the first time on the Kodadot Repository too. So this is the first time section. So the Kodadot is using the PNPM workspace, as installing things via npm will result in broken dependencies. So if you want to know how Kodadot works, you can go to the docs. So I pass that. You can see the first time how to get onboarded. So make sure you check everything line by line. Make sure you check everything line by line before you start contributing. See how to fix errors, generating change log, show only error. How can I test Kodadot without spending KSM? How can I make an on-chain transaction? You can see all of the code. Is it possible to subscribe to the on-chain data from the RPC code? How can I read on-chain data from the RPC code? So you have all of that. And lastly, you can check the hiring section and see jobs that are available. I want to check that too. The hiring section, you can see the jobs that are available from the Kodadot network. So jobs are available. Kodadot is always hiring. So we are looking for smart and talented front-end developers. So we can offer you full spectrum front-end jobs at Kodadot, full-time, part-time, internship, freelance, temporary gig. So you can see the qualification for full-time and part-time and paid internship. To qualify for it, part-time or full-time, we are looking on your past track record or your GitHub profile. So how to apply paid interviews. With each close issue, we pay for your time because we value your contribution. Hence, we value your time. Also, your completed pull requests in 10 to 20 are getting paid. So you can read all of that, which issue you should pick. Payroll. So you can reach out to Yango, who is the co-founder of Kodadot, the co-founder and the CEO of Kodadot, on Discord. You can join their Discord channel, and also you can follow them on Twitter also. So very important. Alright, that will be all on the guidelines for developers on contributing to the Kodadot code on GitHub. Till another time, stay safe.